Being a registered CloverImaging.com web user allows you to take control of your pricing. At any time, you can download your product price list. This price list reflects your current contract with Clover Imaging Group. To access the price list download page, you have to log into your CloverImaging.com account. Once you are logged in, click on Price List under the My Tools section in the right-hand navigation. The price list page allows you to download your price list immediately and also subscribe to a monthly price list email. To subscribe to a monthly price list email, first select the product groups you want included in the file. Then, select either Excel or a PDF price list format. After you have defined this, flip the switch from deactivated to activated. Once you get a confirmation message, you are on the list for monthly price list emails. The email will be sent to the email you used to log into CloverImaging.com. If you need the price list file immediately, click on the Immediate Download tab on the price list page. Like in the previous step, choose which product groups you want included in the file and simply click on either Excel or PDF price list. This will start generating your price file and deliver it to your email. While the file is being generated, you are free to navigate away from this page. However, you will have to wait for the delivery of the requested price list file before you can request a new one. This usually takes no longer than 10 minutes. If this tutorial has not answered your question, or if you require additional assistance, you can use the live chat feature found on the bottom right-hand corner of CloverImaging.com.